Now we are going to look at off-road navigation. Off-road navigation has two programs, VMS Off-Road Software and a demo version of Aussie Explorer. To select the VMS Off-Road, simply select them.
Hey Rich, can we not get an SD card off you for this 200 series? It's got a sticker on it that says no SD card. Do we have any ready at all?
Welcome to the Touran 700 HD. In this video we are going to look at the off-road component of the VMS.
PBS.
The 700 HD consists of two software packages. By clicking the Setup button, you can change your preference. There is the VMS Off-Road software and Aussie Explorer supplied in demo version only. This is for the convenience of existing users. To exit the menu, select the top right hand button, and to select the off-road software, simply tap Off-Road Navigation. This is the menu, the main menu of the VMS software. To view map, simply click the top left hand button. The MudMap software is a moving map software. For example, once you click the Locate Me button and a GPS signal is locked, when you launch the VMS off-road software, you will be presented with a main menu. To start tracking your current position, simply tap the View Map button. Once you have acquired a GPS position, you will see this current position arrow. The current position arrow pinpoints your location precisely on the map. The arrow points in the direction you are heading and rotates accordingly as you change your course. If you'd like to move the map at any point, simply click and drag across. At any point, to return to your current position, simply hit the Locate Me button. Some of the information on the screen we'll go through at the top bar: your speed, your heading, and this displays the angle of the direction in which you are travelling. By clicking the Position tab, you can change to altitude, to the map name, or back to your current position in coordinate format. To scale between maps at your current location, simply press the Zoom In button. The Zoom In button Now let's return to the main menu to have a look at some of the other features on this unit. Let's have a look at routes. A route is a series of waypoints linked together to provide more accurate navigation information along the route. Each waypoint of the route is a waypoint when each waypoint is a waypoint. To create a route, simply tap. A crosshair will be displayed on the center of the map. Position the map so the crosshair is in the position you wish the route to begin from. To modify a route, simply go back into the menu, Routes, Route List, click on the route you wish to modify, to modify other route information, simply go into the main menu, Routes, Route List. Select the route you wish to modify. On the screen there are various things you can modify, such as the name, the description, and any of the viewpoints along the way. Let's say we want to modify this viewpoint here. We can modify the name or any of the coordinates. Let's modify the coordinate for an example. Now see. When finished editing your viewpoint information, simply hit the back button, and once you're finished editing the route, simply hit back. What are the other features of this? Now let's have a look at adding a waypoint. Waypoints are used to mark points of interest such as locations or landmarks for later reference. The waypoint can be stored in memory. To add a waypoint, now you can add a waypoint 3 different ways. We can add a waypoint on the map, by coordinate, or at location. Let's do at location to begin with. So we can see it's added a waypoint at our location. We can zoom in on this waypoint. To add a waypoint, on the map, we can simply drag the map. So the crosshair is where we want to add the waypoint, and simply tap. Simply tick when complete.
Ashley from TJ and Majiba. He called yesterday as well.
Find out what it's in regards to and shoot me an email.
It's in regards to a 600.
Find out as much detail as you can, and you tell him someone will get back to him. To add a waypoint by coordinate, simply hit menu, waypoints, you can see the waypoint we've added by the coordinate. To edit any of the waypoints or waypoint information is similar to that of a route. Simply go into waypoints, waypoint list, and we can see a list of all the waypoints we've added. That last one I added, being the one in the water, we could rename. To delete a waypoint, simply delete. Let's begin by having a look at some of the settings. By scrolling down the menu and hitting the Settings tab, we can customize some of the settings to our personal preferences. For example, the units of measure. This can be changed between metric and imperial or nautical. The position format is probably one of the more important ones. We have a few different options: degrees, minutes, seconds, decimal degrees, or degrees, decimal minutes. Your sound, your screen brightness and your language can also be customized from this menu.